AI is no longer a future trend in L&D. It's already part of how modern teams create training. The real question isn't whether to use AI, it's how to use AI in a way that improves learning quality, not just content speed. Training demand keeps growing. New tools, new processes, new hires, new regulations. But most L&D teams don't grow at the same pace. That's where AI tools for e-learning can make a real difference. In this video, we'll explore where AI actually adds value in e-learning creation, what to look for in AI-powered authoring tools, and the top AI tools for modern learning teams in 2026. As organizations grow, content demand increases, but ownership often stays centralized. Internal experts hold the knowledge, L&D holds the authoring tools. That gap creates bottlenecks. Updates take too long. Localization becomes expensive. Video production slows everything down. By the time training goes live, it may already feel outdated. These challenges aren't about effort. They're about workflows that weren't designed for scale. AI e-learning authoring tools are starting to close that gap, but only when they support the right people and processes. First, AI removes the blank page problem. Instead of starting from scratch, authors can turn documents, ideas, or notes into structured content in minutes. Second, AI improves consistency. When many contributors create training, structure can vary. AI can align learning objectives, assessments, and flow across courses. Third, localization. Global teams need training in their own language. Modern AI-powered e-learning tools make translation scalable instead of manual. And fourth, video. AI lowers the barrier to creating professional training videos without production teams. But here's the key. The biggest impact happens when AI supports authors, not replaces them. That's the difference between generic AI output and real learning outcomes. So what should you look for? Ease of use matters. If AI tools only work for instructional designers, you won't scale. Collaboration matters. AI should support shared creation, reviews, and updates. Localization matters. Multiple languages should live in one connected system. Governance matters. AI should enhance quality without creating risk or inconsistency. And finally, AI should support company-tailored training at scale, not just faster content. With that in mind, here are the top AI tools for modern e-learning creation. Easygenerator. Easygenerator is an AI-powered e-learning suite designed to help organizations create company-tailored training at scale. At the core sits EasyAI, an author-first AI built for real learning outcomes. Instead of replacing expertise, EasyAI transforms internal knowledge into didactically sound courses. It works through 3 integrated roles. As an AI co-author, it converts documents like PDFs, PowerPoints, and Word files into structured, interactive courses. It drafts content, generates assessments, and keeps everything aligned with your organizational context. As an AI guide, it provides actionable suggestions to improve clarity, structure, and learning impact. And as an AI partner, it helps authors review and refine courses before publishing. This approach focuses on learning depth, not generic output. Beyond course creation, Easygenerator also supports AI-powered video creation with avatars and multilingual voiceovers. Teams can explain complex topics clearly without production delays. Content can be translated into 75+ languages, and updates apply across versions, making global scaling practical. Trusted by more than 2,000 companies and rated 4.8 out of 5 on G2, Easygenerator supports over 50,000 authors globally. With dedicated customer success and 24/5 live chat in 120+ languages, it helps organizations decentralize learning without losing governance. If your goal is to scale AI-powered e-learning creation across departments and regions, Easygenerator is built for that model. Colossyan. Colossyan focuses on AI-powered video creation. Teams turn scripts into videos using realistic AI avatars and natural voiceovers. It works well when video is the main format for explaining processes or policies. For organizations that need multilingual video quickly, Colossyan offers strong capabilities. It fits best as a video layer within a broader authoring ecosystem. Adobe Captivate. Adobe Captivate supports advanced course creation for specialist teams. Its AI capabilities connect to Adobe Firefly, which supports visual asset generation and layout assistance. Captivate is strong in simulations and highly interactive training. It suits experienced instructional designers who need deep control over complex designs. Elucidat. Elucidat focuses on centralized production and strong brand governance. Its AI capabilities support reuse and structured authoring rather than content generation. Teams use it to maintain consistency across large training programs. It works well for organizations that prioritize governance and visual control. Mindsmith. Mindsmith focuses on rapid AI-driven content generation and experimentation. It supports drafting, interactive creation, and media generation. It works well for smaller teams exploring AI workflows. For larger organizations, additional structure may be required as content scales. AI tools for e-learning are no longer experimental. They are becoming essential for organizations that need to create, update, and localize training continuously. But the best AI-powered e-learning authoring tools don't just generate content faster. They support collaboration. They maintain quality. They scale company knowledge responsibly. When AI aligns with how teams actually work, it becomes more than automation. It becomes a strategic advantage for modern learning.